The application for Vahani Scholarship 2026 is open now. Open your Chrome tab and type Vahani Scholarship. Go to www.vahanischolarship.com. Click on Apply Now. Please note that there are three eligibility criteria. First, you should be currently studying in class 12. Second, your class 10 board marks should be more than 85%. And above third, your annual family 3 lakh per annum. For new registration, click on Register Now, put your email address and click on Verify Email. Open your Gmail inbox and click on the verification link to verify now. Add your details as per the column and click on Register. Password to login and start with the application process. Add information about how you got to know about Vahani. Click on the checkbox and click Save. And add your Aadhaar number and PAN number. You may skip your PAN number if you don't have a PAN card. Instead, put a dummy number in PAN card format. Add your family details including father, mother and guardian information. Please make sure to click on the checkbox below and save the information before you proceed to the next. Add your address. Click on the checkbox and Save Now. Add academic information with the school you are currently studying in. Now add class 10 board marks and upload your official mark sheet. Please add the contact information of your principal. Now do the same procedure for your class 11th information. Here you have to upload class 12th information. We understand that you will be attending your 12th board in 2027, so we request you to fill the sections that are mandatory and skip the results part. Now update the activities part. Include all the information related to the extracurricular activities. Here comes the college preference which you want to go to for your undergraduate degree. Please note that Vahani only supports the government colleges across India. A common question asked by the applicant: it's not mandatory that you will have to take admission only in the colleges mentioned in the preferences. Like example, if you have not put IIT Kanpur in your preferences, but later on, after counseling, you are getting IIT Kanpur, then it will not affect your selection to Vahani. Only you have to make sure that you are taking admission in a government institution or colleges. Here comes the most important part of the application, which is the essay part. We want you to take a pause, articulate your thoughts, and then write essays. Copy pasting from the internet or any AI tools will lead to the direct cancellation of your application. We are not going to judge you on the basis of high end vocabulary. Instead, we want to know the real you, to know your vision, aim, and mission in life. Make sure that the dashboard shows 100% and then click on Submit Application. Once you submit the application, please note that you can still access your application and make edits on the same. The edit window will remain open till 1st November 2026. Make sure to save it once you make the changes. That's it. Thank you for your time. We look forward to reading your application. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.